Shockey, and I'm a sophomore music education major. I'd like to thank you for coming to my project entitled Rainforest Soundscape today. Before I begin, I would like to thank my collaborators who have helped me so much throughout the week. First, I have Marlena Shinego. Gamboa sitting down here. And there back, I have Jericho Johnson running my lights. Our faculty mentor, Dr. Romine, would sit right there. So if you read a little bit of my little notes, you know that my presentation is interactive. But before we start, I have to tell you what all the instruments do and what we're using them for. So, let's go ahead and get started. So, first off, we have our animal noises. There are various percussion props throughout the stage. You take a stick and you stroke it along the back.
This is the cuervo. You hold it like a bowling ball with your fingers in the hole, and it makes a sound like a frog, but it isn't a frog.
Next up, we have the cabasa. There are 3 different ways to play it, and you are welcome to switch throughout. So first, you grasp it in your hand and you go like this. You can tap it with your fingers, but you can also shake it to your side like a maraca. It sounds like a rattlesnake. We also have our castanets, and you pick them up, and there's little clicks.
These are the tempo blocks. We have various ways of making noise with them.
And then we have some of our rain noise.
This is an ocean drum. It is very loud.
And now let's introduce a couple of our thunderstorm noises. Frank, let's start with you, and then Marlena.
This is the bass drum. If you want to smack it with this mallet, but not directly in the center of the drum, like such.
This is the viber slap. The best way to play it is to hold it by over here, ball facing down, and hit that ball against the rim. It does not hurt at all.
All right, and then here we're going to have some drums.
Okay, these are wood drums. They sound like this. There's 2, 1 per person, and there are 2 notes in each one, and there are multiple implements with which to play them.
We also have our hand drums. We have a lower pitch one. You can put your hand like this and you can hit it really hard too. It's the exact same deal with the higher pitch one. And then there's not enough instruments for everybody, so we're also going to have people in the back. They're going to be finger snaps and hand rubbing, also creating some hand noises. Now, my collaborators and I are also going to be playing with you. So we have a few instruments that will not be playing, but will be up here with us, and we'd like to introduce them. So let's start with Frank's.
I've got 2 rain sticks, a smaller one and a larger one. They sound like this.
These are cymbals. There's a crash cymbal and a drum set, a shimmy cymbal, there's a footed cymbal and a fiddle cymbal, as well as this gong I will be playing during the thunder hit. Pretty standard stuff.
And then last but not least, I'll be playing the wind chimes. They sound like this. And they will start and end our entire soundscape. So, now that you know exactly what everything is up here, there is a point to what I'm going to say. I need 15 people who do not play an instrument. If you sing, that's fine. Get yourself up on stage. I need 15 of you. Come on up. Find yourself an instrument. You can go with whatever instrument you want. My collaborators will help you find a song. So go to something where you want to be in, where you want to play. This is for anybody of any age. So if you don't play an instrument, you are welcome to come up on stage. But those who do play an instrument, I'm not forgetting about you. I promise I will include you. All right, you guys are on?
Holy cow! Holy
All right, and everyone sit really quiet. We're going to start making Rainforest Soundscape together. Sound good? All right, Jericho, you ready? All right, here we go. I am. probably think that it's really hard to do. But everybody up on that stage, whether they have play an instrument, whether they sing, whether they have no experience at all, just play music. To me, music is for the old, the young, the shy, the bold, and for everybody in music. Because music is a universal language. So thank you to everybody who came up and tried something new. Because this is what I love doing. I love showing people that music is accessible for everybody, and it's all in their own different forms. So thank you again for coming. My name is Shockey, and I hope you enjoyed creating a Rainforest Soundscape.